Have you ever wondered how the story of us, that is, humans on Earth, may end up without a decent script?
If only we had a new one for rebooting the world. So far, it's been a non-stop action movie, Ray. How are we going to change humanity's script that's been running for thousands of years that doesn't end up with the aliens appearing? And honestly, that's the only thing left at this point.
Why do you think I'm so excited about the next person we're talking to, who is an accomplished storyteller and looking to change the script of the tech world? Algo?
On the uplink is one of the most savvy and accomplished people in media tech today. She's the CEO of Zuckerberg Media, the author of 5 books, and the founder of the Zuckerberg Institute, empowering the next generation of entrepreneurs. Please welcome Randy Zuckerberg.
Hello, Randy.
Hello, Randy.
Great to see you.
Hi, great to virtually be with you today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. It's really a delight to talk to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Randy. Take care.
Now let's take a look at some startups flipping the script.